Understanding idioms. Drowsy as a doornail. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that might sound a bit strange at first. Drowsy as a doornail. This video will unravel the meaning behind this idiom, explore its origins, and show you how to use it in everyday conversations. If you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker, then you're in the right place. First things first, let's break down the phrase, drowsy as a doornail. To be drowsy means to feel extremely sleepy or on the verge of falling asleep. But what about a doornail? Well, a doornail is just a part of a door, a piece of hardware. So, when we say someone is drowsy as a doornail, we're using a bit of humor and exaggeration to say they're extremely sleepy. As inanimate as a doornail, which, of course, doesn't sleep at all. Now, let's look at where this phrase comes from. Interestingly, the phrase, drowsy as a doornail, seems to be a playful variation of the much older expression, dead as a doornail, which dates back to the 14th century. This original phrase was used to emphasize something utterly lifeless or finished, with doornails being considered dead because they were hammered flat into a door, serving no further purpose. Over time, drowsy has replaced dead in some contexts to describe extreme sleepiness, borrowing the old idiom's form for a lighter, more humorous expression. Understanding an idiom's meaning is one thing, but using it correctly is another. Here are a few examples to show you how drowsy as a doornail can be incorporated into everyday English. After the long journey, I was drowsy as a doornail and could barely keep my eyes open. You look drowsy as a doornail, she said, handing me a cup of coffee. Despite the noise, he was drowsy as a doornail and didn't wake up until noon. These examples illustrate that the phrase can be used to describe anyone who is extremely sleepy, regardless of the situation. And there you have it. Now you know what drowsy as a doornail means, its origins, and how to use it in conversation. This idiom, like many others in English, adds color and personality to our language. We hope this video helps you feel more confident using English idioms and enhances your conversations. Don't forget to practice using drowsy as a doornail in your own sentences, and share them with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.